Okay, guys, let's just check this one sentence that I put on the form yesterday, and then we'll be done. You can watch that Cerberus video if you haven't already. That's just kind of for fun, and then you should enjoy your break. Quibus generibus scelerum sinistrorum illi duae civitates deletae erunt. I totally didn't make a typo on that second word and have it in its genitive form. Um, but in case I did, it's actually ending in ibis, just like quibus. Sorry about that, guys. I think the online teaching has exacerbated my typo issue a little bit, but it is something I will remedy when we return to online classes after the break. So, when I see quibus, I'm immediately thinking it is ablative or dative plural. So, how do I tell which one it is? That would be the difference of something like to whom versus by whom, basically. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My eye also wanders ahead to deletae erunt. That looks like our predicate, our verb, and that has me thinking that this is probably ablative, because if we have a, what tense is deletae erunt, anyone? Oh, perfect passive. If we have a perfect passive, uh, then we're going to have an ablative. Well, we'll likely have an ablative of agent or means. So now I'm thinking, is this ablative of means? If it's going with generibus, that means that it's not about a person. Um, so it'll be means. Plus, I don't see an ob anywhere, so it couldn't really be agent. So this would start off just by me knowing that it's ablative as something like by which type or types or kinds. It's technically plural. And then scelerum sinistrorum, that's just a vocab thing, some recent words. And those are going to be what case, anyone? Oh, yeah, genitive. I definitely heard someone say genitive. Okay, so type of wicked deeds or sinister deeds. And then I see illi duae civitates, and you should be thinking that that is, and apparently I'm using underline for these genitives here, so I'm not going to underline the subject, okay? That is the subject right there, illi duae civitates. They can certainly be nominative, and they agree with the person and number of our verb, okay? Which is also underlined. So that would be something like those two citizens. And since this is a question, I would need my helping verbs up front. So that's where we look at deletae erunt and see that erunt actually makes that future perfect. So this isn't just a standard perfect passive, it's a future perfect passive that UNT maybe would remind you of, like the BUNT, bunt cake ending that we used to meme about. So that'd be like will have um, those subjects, those two citizens, be verbed, in this case, destroyed. So, yeah, there you go. That's the sentence. And good job with your submissions, given my typo. Sorry about that. And I hope you guys enjoy your break. Oh, yeah, and by the way, I guess I also wanted to mention that deletae is agreeing and gender in case with illi duae civitates. Okay, they all have that feminine, nominative, plural ending. And that looks like that's it for today. So, walete, enjoy the break.